Hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be making reels today, and at the same time we're going to be getting to test out these products. So if you're here for the review, you could skip to the timestamp here. If not, let's get into it. The first video we're going to be doing is an unboxing video. I'm using my C-stand to get a top-down view, but if you don't have a C-stand, you could use a regular tripod and still have it on an angle and it'll still look nice, just as long as you could see into the box. One thing I noticed that I did a lot was pass the products between one hand to the other hand, and I really didn't like that when I was editing. I cut most of those out. So what I would say is just take it very slow, show one product at a time, and just use one hand and you'll get a better result than me. So what I'm going to do for the product video is I'm going to take 2 shots of each product and then 1 finale shot. I lied, I didn't end up doing 2 shots per product. I ended up just doing 1, and it actually took a lot longer than I anticipated, so that's why I kind of want to move it along faster. It could be a cool shot if it like rolls in and stops and it says "Hey bud." So that is going to be shot number 1, but the mud is on the wrong side, so... My cat is just going to town, cleaning himself this whole video, and I didn't even notice. A good way I could do this shot is if I have it how it is, and then I blow it out, and then reverse it and edit. It could be kind of cool. Hey, that works! Okay, we're getting somewhere. And when you're making reels, you don't need a ton of shots, you just need a few select good ones. So just try and focus on a few good shots, and that will make a reel. Don't know how that's gonna work. I think that is it, guys. I think that was it. Okay. For this shot, because I'm doing the cleanser, I got some soapy water and I'm going to make bubbles and splash it on here and do that in slow motion, and I think it's going to look good. I wish I had the whole thing in shot. It's not, I don't know. Let's just do it once, see how it goes. Play. Actually, not bad. Let's do the top. Okay, when I'm shooting that, I need to shoot it from the other side so I don't get into the light. Okay, I liked it. I liked it very much. I think so. Let's watch it back. I just want to note that I'm getting my camera full of stuff. Alright, now my next shot. So I got the cleanser, I got the finale shot. I'm going to do the mask, because I believe that's the order. So for the mask, I'm going to clean this off because it's horrendous. Play with it a little bit, make sure it looks nice inside. And then I'm going to do like a little dipping motion, you know? Get a little dip in there. That's my vision for this one. So cleanser, mask, cream, and then serum. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna go clean this off, so bye. Now, do I want to put some stuff in the foreground? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I think I do. It makes it more interesting. for this shot, I'll have it already open. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. I like it. I think it's fine. Need reassurance here, guys. Is that okay? Wait, hold on. Maybe I should just turn this on so you guys can see how I'm placing it. I feel like I should tape it down. I'm saying this now because I know I'm gonna regret it if I don't. Tape it down so when I get a huge when I take a huge, I don't know what the word is, when I just take some of the face mask, it's gonna be like, you know what I mean? Like, this is what's going down. Oh, and now that we see that, let's make sure our focus is good. Focus needs to be, that's good. That's where the focus needs to be. Okay. I'm gonna bring it up so there's less shadow. One thing to note about doing product videos is that every motion needs to be really smooth for it to feel continuous. So your hand has to be smooth, the camera, if you're holding it, has to be smooth. Like, everything needs to be smooth or else it feels... My hand stuttered. It will seem like there's something off about it. I'm not gonna hand stutter this time, okay? Get in there, get wild. You can do it, Emily. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I really went for it. You know what? I don't like it. And the reason why I don't like it, I want it to come top down. I think that would be cool. So here we're gonna go again. It's gonna be a messy ass brush. Should I wash the brush? What do we think? This is it, top down. Also, something I want to note right now is that the way I set up the lights, I always had to use my left hand for everything, which made it feel so unnatural because I'm right-handed. So when you're setting up your scene, just take into consideration where the light source is coming from, because you're going to want to be able to use your right hand if you're right-handed and your left hand if you're left-handed. That's it, we got it. All right, so we have the cleanser, the mask, then we will do the moisturizer. I feel like we'll just take the top off. Looking back at this now, I would have done some more like macro shots to spice up the video and just have like a different perspective, but I didn't, and I kind of regret it now. I think it would have just made the video flow better than having everything kind of a medium shot of it. That's just my point of view. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. My hands are going to be very moisturized by the end of this. My hand looks like a giant hand. I don't like it. Okay, wait, think about this. This on so you guys can see what I'm doing. But I don't really have like a container to put it on. But that is going to have to do. We're going to have to square it up. Okay, over there there's some reflection. So let's bring it here. Let's make sure that is what we want. That's as far as it's going to go. Where's the sun? The sun is about to shine. We need like a dramatic light. Okay, that's too bright now. So hold up. When the light is shining, I need it to be correctly exposed. I think that'll be good. Okay, I think that's cool. And I like the ice cubes. Let's see. Let's see. I did a few takes, so it's really hard to do it with the sun. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, cool. Done. Done, done, done. Now we can move to the next video, which is going to be a UGC video. User-generated content. Another type of video you can make for a brand is a product demonstration. So I got to test out the heybud skincare line and I really liked it. It's made with hemp, green tea, salicylic acid, betaine. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and you could recycle their packaging. And honestly, my face felt fan-frickin-tastic afterwards. The thing I liked about the product the most is that my face felt soft, but it wasn't oily. So yeah, I definitely am liking these products and I can't wait to be enjoying them more.